If you want to change the display brightness on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to change the display brightness, you can either swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center, and in the control center you will find the brightness slider. And from here you can increase the display brightness from here, just like that. And also you can do that from the settings. Now if you go to settings, then tap on display. Now as you can see under brightness, you have the brightness slider. And from here you can increase or decrease the brightness to whatever you want. And also you have the option of adaptive brightness. Now if you enable this toggle, your tablet will automatically increase or decrease the brightness of the display according to the lighting of your environment. Just like that. And this is how you can change the display brightness on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.